Here is the hallway installation. So we have, here is a one door frame need to pass. We have one bedroom, another bedroom, and closet in front of it. So how to do it fast and nice. So what I did, first of all, I measure from this wall to this wall. Here is a 37, 2 inches shorter than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boards. So for me, very important to slide boards under the door frame to follow installation to this both rooms. So what I did, I put some piece of wood. Exactly, I'm gonna put a full board here all the way and connect with this floor, because this floor is different direction. So then when I tape this floor to keep it straight, because this floor, if you just look 3 lines and then start moving, it can be unlocked. So in this case, I put tape everywhere. So now I put one more line of boards, which is I will lock to this side, and then I will take measuring piece what I am using in this job site. So, and I pre-cut whole this piece. Then I slide this floor, remove these 3 pieces, short pieces, slide this whole line back, lock this boards, which is I will pre-cut it, and slide to this side. Then I lock this side. Easy. So just see how it's going. This is measuring piece. I took the its waist and cut this side. You know why? Because here is we have already 1/8. You see the lock side, and here is around more than quarter. It's going to be a very big gap. So in this case, I cut it off. I leave this side 1/8, and when I will mark with pencil, I put it like this, because need to exactly not pencil coming under this, you know, this edge. So when I put like this to the wall, I can, when I mark the pencil with pencil, it's here be another maybe 16, maybe a little bit more. So 1/8 and 1/8 is approximately quarter. So this is specially measuring piece. So now I want to show how it's work. So now I'm going to show you how it's, here is the corner, then here I will have to come under the door, and then this part I will cut off, you see, come here slightly, because here is, you see, very small casing. I do little bit radius to, when I slide it in, it's not, if you cut straight, you will see gap, you know, but need to cut some little angle. Right here you see the same radius, and here I have to slide under this door and under this frame for sliding door, like this. Okay, keep going. is really nice tools. Don't spread the dust and collect here. I just, you see, I just, when I cut it, I just put it down and that's it. Okay? So now I want to show you how it looks like. You see, now it's settled. So there is I'll finish, and this side too, it's easy. So I want to show you how nice come. So you see, board, there is a this edge, back lock side, and we will check all the way. So this needs, because it's wavy, maybe we could recut. Well, you see, this is fine, just wall not too straight. And here, like was before, oh, that's it, settled. So nice straight line. Now I want to finish this side. It's not big problem, and I can spread installation to this way and to this way. So let's go. Here is the end of the day. Tomorrow I will install baseboards and everything will be finished.